Ever feel like your bag is a tangled mess of cables, adapters and tiny SIM cards just waiting to get lost? You know the drill, you need to charge your phone, but where's that Type-C adapter? Or you're traveling and suddenly you need a different cable for your earbuds. Annoying, right? What we have here can be your one-stop solution and solve almost all those problems. Meet the Inbase Multifunctional Box. This is a versatile storage solution crafted to organize and safeguard all your essential accessories. The main cable. You get a Type-C to Type-C cable, and here's where it gets truly multifunctional. This cable integrates perfectly with these little wonders. There's Type-C to Type-A adapter. Instantly convert your cable to charge older USB-A devices or connect to legacy ports. A Type-C to micro USB adapter for those older headphones, power banks and other peripherals that still use micro USB. Another Type-A adapter. And for all your travelers or multi-SIM users, there is a lifesaver, a SIM Ejector Tool. No more searching for that paper clip. There is also some space for 2 Nano SIMs and even a slot for a TF card or MicroSD card. Great for camera users or anyone needing extra storage on the go. Imagine you are heading to airport. Instead of a mess of cables that inevitably tangle at the bottom of your carry-on, you just grab this one compact box. It fits perfectly in your small tech pouch, backpack or even jacket pocket. If you are tired of tangled cables and missing adapters, we recommend checking out the Inbase Multifunctional Box. What do you think of this ultimate tech organizer? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video, share and subscribe to our channel for more such tech videos.